How the have I just taken a shower and look like I still need a shower? Alright, welcome back to Why Can't I Do an Intro? Alright, welcome back to Wealth Habits Project. This is Manny. Today we're talking about how you don't need a financial advisor, and most people pay a financial advisor to do what they can't just do by themselves if they just devote the time to it. It'll be so much cheaper, it'll be so much better if you just know how to do it yourself. Most people pay for advisors to do something they could just do by themselves. Most of the advice is not even in your best interest. Most financial advisors just make money off of giving you advice of the most basic stuff. Have a diversified portfolio, have a budget. You could just learn all these things by yourself with all the great free apps that we have online right now. SoFi, that I personally use, Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard. Literally, you can just go on Vanguard, automate all of your ETFs that you want to buy, and you don't have to do anything ever again. I'll be so much better off if you just don't pay for the advisor to tell you the same thing. You can just learn by yourself with all the great tools that we have right now. So personally, I use SoFi. It's the greatest app to have personally for me because it has a high yield saving account. I can invest on it. I can get a credit card whenever I want. I don't recommend credit cards, but if you know you can handle money, you should definitely look into it. And the also great thing with the SoFi is I can just buy fractional shares. So if a company is worth about, let's say, $200 per share, if I don't have that much money, I can just put in a minimum of $5 and buy that company, just buy a chunk of that company and then grow it from there. So I don't need to save up a lot of chunk of money, like a few thousand or $100 just to buy one company. I can start with as little as $5. And with the SoFi app, with the savings program that they have, I can literally open a vault for a particular reason that I want to save money. So let's say I buy a car, buy a house, go on a vacation, save up for college that I'm personally doing right now. I have a vault for a car that I want to buy. I have a college vault that I'm gonna pay for my college with, and a vacation one that I'm hopefully taking during the winter, and if I can, I'll just do it over the summer. And here's the thing, all these apps, all these online free apps that we have, they can do the heavy lifting of what you will pay a financial advisor for thousands of dollars. You don't need to do that, and you don't need to be that person. Just go onto ChatGPT, ask them the best budgeting habits, the best way to invest. You can ask them for tips too, but I do your own research too. But you can just start with ChatGPT with the simplest way, and just move on from there. You can just replace the role of a financial advisor altogether if you just use the financial tools that we have online for free. You just need to research them. They're right there for you, and for your betterment, for your own good. We have all these great apps that you can easily use if you just know about them. Do your research. You can just literally go on ChatGPT and ask what your specific position is for investing, savings, or any other financial goal that you might have. Put it in there. It'll give you the great list of habits that you can form, or the free apps that are available to make your financial life more easier. But lastly, here's the thing. Financial advisors do have a role, but only if you're operating a multi-million-dollar complex business that you need advisors for. Definitely do it. Definitely seek advice for your own business, for your own good. If you don't understand it and you need help with that particular part of your business, or even just personal finance, if you're a multi-millionaire and you need investment strategies that you won't easily just get on these apps, you can just seek a financial advisor. But for the normal person, for the average person, you don't need it. You can just go on SoFi, go on Robinhood, invest, save, and just be relaxed for the entirety of your life. All you need to do is just set up these accounts, set up autopay, and everything is automated until you want to take that money out. It's been Manny. See you next time. Subscribe, like, and share. for